Downtown Gilbert, AZ Taco Review. Just driving, no idea what we're doing. We were heading to downtown, saw this place on the side, and I gotta tell you what, if marketing is a thing in tacos, they're nailing it. Pastor, looks like some fresh birria up close. Taqueria, blue tortilla. Great marketing. All of the stuff on the windows, good marketing. I mean, they got a food truck over here, it looks like. I'm pretty excited. I didn't even know this place was here. Didn't even know it existed. Let's try it out. Hello. Can I just do one carne asada taco, please?
Yeah, onion and cilantro.
Yes, please.
What do that be all for you?
That's it.
Will that be for here to go?
For here.
Okay.
All right. Taqueria blue tortilla. I said, give it to me the way that you want me to eat it. Cilantro, onions, a little bit of this avocado. She said, squeeze some lime on here. Visually, I can tell you I'm liking what I'm seeing, because what am I?
Crunchy bits guy?
I'm a crunchy bits guy. Hey now. Double tortilla, double stack. That's called, we got the upper and lower deck for consistency purposes. The feel of a street taco, but a hearty street taco at that. All right. I think pick them up and put them down. Meat's a little dry. Only thing keeping it out of the sevens. A little dry. Salsa's good. Accompaniments are good. 6.6. 6.6, fair. You're in the neighborhood, stop by, get a, 2 tacos and some rice and beans, 6.6. Taqueria, blue tortilla, that's review.